IELTS speakingda why questionlarga javob bera olmayotgan bo'lsangiz, bu video aynan siz uchun. Speaking samples. Why question? The reason subject plus verb has lot to do with reason. It's not only because subject plus verb, but also because subject plus verb. Misol uchun, why do you like your hometown? The reason I like my hometown has a lot to do with my childhood memories. It's not only because I grew up there, but also because I still feel a strong connection to the community. Why do people prefer to live in big cities? The reason many people prefer to live in big cities has a lot to do with better job opportunities. It's not only because there are more companies, but also because salaries tend to be higher. Bu yerda juda ko'p samplelar bor. Bu samplelarni olish uchun profilni turgan linkka bosib Telegram kanaliga o'tib olsanglar, Telegram kanaliga tashlab qo'ygan bo'laman. Obuna bo'lib, ingliz tilini o'rganayotgan do'stiga jo'natib qo'ying va fikrlaringizni kommentariyada yozib qoldiring. Sog' bo'lasizlar.